Good morning from MasterTrust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 28th of March 2025. The US Dow Jones decreased 0.37%, settling the day at 42,299.70, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 17,804.03, decreasing 0.53%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,040.16 and Hang Seng is trading at 23,672.82. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,750.50, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII bought 11,111.25 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 2,517.70 crore in the last trading session. SEBI proposes limiting the expiry days of derivatives contracts to Tuesdays or Thursdays. Center to borrow 8 lakh crore in H1 FY26, 10,000 crore via green bonds. Now talking about global aspects, US final GDP growth for Q4 exceeded expectations at 2.4% versus 2.3% forecast. US unemployment claims slightly improved to 224K versus the 225K forecast and previous. WTI rose 0.04% to $69.92 a barrel, and Brent rose 0.3% to $74.03 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 103.93. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.43%, down. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices rose on Thursday, recovering from the previous day's losses as investors booked profits amid uncertainty over US tariffs. Traders closely followed US-India trade talks, hoping for a positive outcome. Auto stocks fell after US President Trump announced a 25% tariff on auto imports starting next week. However, ongoing foreign fund inflows lifted market sentiment. Except for auto and pharma, all sectors gained, with media, oil and gas, and realty up 1% each. Outlook for today. Nifty rose on Thursday, recovering from the previous day's losses as investors booked profits amid uncertainty over US tariffs. The key resistance is at 23,700, and a breakout could push it toward 24,000, near the recent swing high. Support stands at 23,400, near the 21-week EMA, and a breakdown below this may lead to further selling toward 23,100. Despite volatility, overall market sentiment remains bullish, favoring a buy on dips approach. Bank Nifty traded higher after profit booking in the previous session, staying above the 21-day and 55-day EMA. Resistance is at 52,000, and a breakout could drive it toward 52,500. On the downside, support lies at 51,000, a key psychological level, with a breakdown potentially leading to 50,600. Market sentiment remains bullish, favoring a buy on dips strategy as traders look for opportunities in the ongoing uptrend. Stocks on the radar. Bullish view: Adani Enterprises, Hero MotoCorp, UPL, SRF, Chambal Fart. Bearish view: Voltas, Lupin, Siemens, Bharat Forge. ABB trade of the day is bullish on Glenmark, buy at 1,519. Stop loss 1,468. Target 1,600. Rationale: trendline breakout. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.